MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus. Honest results. 240Hz QHD plus gaming at 42 degrees Celsius is now my normal.
Picture this. You're in a coffee shop trying to show your portfolio, and your 3-year-old gaming laptop decides to sound like a leaf blower while cooking itself at 95 degrees Celsius. I literally closed the lid and pretended I was between devices. If your laptop has ever turned into a public embarrassment, type pain below. I feel you in my soul.
That soul-crushing moment when you just want a game after a long day, but know your laptop is going to scream, throttle, and die in 20 minutes? Torture! I was one more performance mode equals jet engine session away from swearing off PC gaming forever. Stay with me. There's actually a machine that gives you desktop power without the drama. Then the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus slid into my life and murdered every excuse I had. First boot, Ryzen AI 936 with its insane NPU turned Windows Copilot into my personal assistant who finishes my sentences. RTX 4070 at 140 watts pushed Cyberpunk RT Overdrive to 115 FPS on that ridiculous 16-inch QHD plus 240 Hz, 16:10 panel. 32 GB LPDDR5X laughed at 47 Chrome tabs while rendering 8K. Vapor chamber cooling kept the keyboard at drink coffee temperature even after 4-hour sessions. Thunderbolt 4 plus HDMI 2.1 fed 3 external monitors without blinking. Wi-Fi 7 pulled 2.4 gigabits per second like it was bored. And the per-key RGB backlit keyboard made late-night editing sessions feel illegal. A motion graphics artist I know almost lost a Netflix gig because his MacBook had choked on a 6K timeline. This Stealth exported it in 11 minutes while he played Valorant at 300 FPS in the background. Suddenly, everything felt unfair.
Laptop Mag's senior editor said live, "The Stealth A16 AI Plus is the first laptop that legitimately scared my desktop." A colorist named Dulian with 800K followers posted, "Sold my 4090 workstation. This 4070 laptop grades 8K raw faster and fits in my backpack." Real user at Dana Renders tweeted, "Ran a 3-hour Blender render overnight. Woke up to 39 degrees C surface temps and a finished animation. I'm not okay." Everyone clutches pearls about fan noise until they hear this thing in balance mode. It's basically a library with ray tracing. My personal favorite crime, editing 4K ProRes while streaming gameplay and running Copilot voice commands without a single dropped frame. Thousands of editors, developers, and closet gamers are living in absolute silence right now and won't shut up about it in private discords. See why we're all speaking in hushed tones? Which part would ruin your old setup first? The 240Hz screen that makes 60 FPS feel like PowerPoint? Or the fact it never breaks 45 degrees Celsius under load? Drop your weapon of choice below. I'm taking notes.
Imagine opening your laptop and it just obeys. Fast, cool, silent, ready to destroy anything you throw at it without making a scene. That's my every single day now with the MSI Stealth A16 AI Plus. Units are moving faster than RTX 4090s at launch, and thousands of us have already crossed over. I drop my affiliate link below, click it, claim yours, and watch how fast your old reality starts feeling like dial-up. No pressure at all, just pure, ridiculous performance waiting. Comment AI Plus when you finally understand. Welcome to the future.